The Honda Smart Key system allows you to secure and operate the motorcycle with a convenient remote transmitter. To use the Smart Key, press and hold the on-off button. It's the large button in the center with the Honda logo. Hold it for more than 1 second. Every time you press and hold the on-off button for more than 1 second, the Honda Smart Key will switch between on and off. To check the status of the Honda Smart Key, just quickly press the on-off button. The LED light on the Honda Smart Key will show the status. If the LED blinks 3 times, this means the system is activated and authentication can be performed. If the LED light briefly holds solid, this means that the Honda Smart Key is deactivated and authentication cannot be performed. If the battery in the Smart Key is low, the indicator on the instrument panel will flash 5 times when you turn the ignition switch on.